A$AP Rocky has pleaded not guilty to 2 counts of assault with a firearm, following an incident in Los Angeles last November. The U.S. rapper, real name Rakim Myers, who recently welcomed his first child with Rihanna, appeared in person in an LA court on Wednesday 17th of August to enter the pleas. He was dressed in a dark suit, glasses and wore a black face mask and spoke only to confirm his name and acknowledge his rights. During the incident, Myers, 33, is alleged to have pointed a semi-automatic handgun at the victim, identified as fellow rapper A$AP Rocky, before allegedly firing it in his direction in a subsequent confrontation. Relly, real name Terrell Efron, is a former friend of Myers, but filed a lawsuit against him last week. In legal documents obtained by the PA news agency, lawyers for Relly said Myers' conduct had been extreme and outrageous and had caused their client to suffer extreme emotional distress. Efron has requested damages of $25,000 £20,600 over the incident, plus additional damages to cover his medical bills. Judge Victoria B. Wilson handed Myers a restraining order, which states he must stay 100 yards away from Efron at all times and set a preliminary trial date of November 2. Myers' bail has been set at $550,000 $456,500, which he has paid. Last Sunday, Rihanna and A$AP Rocky were spotted exiting their private jet after landing safely in sunny Los Angeles. The new parents had spent time together in New York City with their baby boy, as a source told People that the two stars have been adjusting to being a mother and father, but are doing great. Their baby boy is healthy and Rihanna is just in awe of him, the insider explained, adding, Rihanna barely leaves his side. She is a fantastic mom,